Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change. Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your age in Brawl Stars. All right. There's no actual way to change it on the game itself or in the app. If you have mistakenly added your age right there on the game, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to reverse it. But you can by simply asking for support from the game developers. All right. Or if you want to, you can just go ahead and create a new account. And then in the main screen where it asks you to put your age, just go ahead and make sure that your age is correct. All right. Well, let's say, for example, that you have made a mistake and you got a ton of progress in your account. So don't worry. I'll teach you how to contact Supercell support. All right. First up, it could be on your mobile device or your computer. Just go ahead and look for Brawl Stars support. Now, once you're in here, the first link from Supercell itself, just go ahead and go to contact form. All right, click on this one and this page will pop up. Now, what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and log in, scroll down a bit and log in, which I'm going to do right now. All right, once you're logged in, it will redirect you back to the same page, but your account right here is logged in. All right, just go ahead and scroll down a bit. And as you can see here, it will require some category. Click on the drop down. Now in here, just select something else. All right, player tag. As you can see here, it is automatic. My player tag has been added right here automatically, and as well as my email address. And what we're going to type in here is just basically, hi, support team, good day. All right. I would love to get some help changing my age in Brawl Stars. I have mistakenly put current age that is on your Brawl Stars account, and it should be the new age, of course. All right, hoping for your kind consideration. You can get back to me via this email that is tied to my account or here at the new account or the new email address. All right. Once that's done, just hit on I am human, and that will be a short verification process. Please click on the two elements that are identical. So I'm going to click on this one right here, hit on next. Another one, identical. All right. As you can see here, it's done. I'm going to hit on submit. All right. Once you hit on submit, it will say, thank you for your message. We will respond as soon as possible. Just wait for the support to get back to you for about 24 to 48 hours, and always check your email. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.